Okay, so a huge news is coming out of Pakistan again. Again, there's a blast. There was a blast. It wasn't as big, but and still it killed two people and 14 people are injured. It is in the line with the two attacks already performed this month, this 15 days of February alone. So, as we know, the first attack came from BLA at the start of the February, which killed a lot of people, and then the second attack was at the masjid, in which almost 300 people were injured and killed. And following that list, there is a third attack right now. It was near a police station in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The blast has injured almost 14 people and killed two people, including a child. According to a Dawn article, the police has given the statement that there was a time bomb fixed on a motorcycle that blasted um almost after few hours near a police station, but all the police officers remained unharmed. And yeah, it is something mm, to feel bad about because those were civilians and a child. It is really very embarrassing that people can kill even a child for their motives. But it is even more embarrassing for the Pakistani government and its system because there must be a reason that almost attacks are these frequent and its own citizens are attacking on the government so much. The resentment in the people of Pakistan for their government is just too high. The way they treat their own people is unacceptable. And especially the failure of their system. Like almost three attacks happened again and again, and all were so big attacks, and they were not able to stop it. And now, even such a small attack happened, and they were not able to stop it as well, even when it was just near the police station. And then just after that, all the the politicians started giving their condolences. They don't take actions to stop it, but they came first to take the condolences. For example, Khyber Pakhtun's opposition leader Ibadullah Khan also condemned the attack, saying elements hostile to peace and want to disturb the province's calm. The nation should unite and confront them. First of all, this notice on this line: disturb the province's calm. And for your information, no, it's not calm at all. There has been multiple attacks, and this area is very prone. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa area is very prone to terrorist attacks in Pakistan, and still the government is doing nothing. So more news will come, and more blasts will come out of Pakistan, and I will cover them all. Thanks, and have a nice day.